Our rolled candle has now. Let's see whether it has really dried up and what kind of a shape it is. Here I go, very slowly. I'm now unrolling. Ah, wonderful! Here it is. And now we have our candle. Depending on the color, we use the color flavor. Here we go. It is so easy now. Now, if now you want to make another color of different color, of another crayon of different color, this one we are finished with it. You now repeat the process with the. You also warm you repeat the process. You use that molten liquid crayon. You add a flavor, a colored flavor of different color, and then you continue the process the way you did, and then you'll make as many candles as you want. If you want 5 different colors of wax crayons, you will continue and do it the way you continue. You continue for five times. Then from there now, you will be ready now to do the picture making using this method, technique. Thank you very much, boys.